Hi, this is going to be a lesson on the notes D, E, and F sharp on the bass. So my bass, my cello, is all nice and tuned. We know the note D. We can pluck our D string. We're not going to use a bow today. We'll just use our left hand in our instrument. So please make sure your bass is in tune, especially the D string, since that's the string we're going to be playing on today. So let's pluck the note D 3 times together. Ready? Go. And remember, when we pluck, we keep our thumb about 1 inch away or 2 inches away from the bottom of the fingerboard. And when we pluck the string, if you notice, my finger is landing on the next string over. That helps us get a nice big sound. Now, make sure your bass is balanced. I'm sitting down again because I'm playing a cello and I don't have a bass at home, but you're standing up nice and tall, and the bass is balanced like this on you. And I'll try to sit that way a little bit. So we're going to find our thumb spot. So you're going to reach your hand around. Your thumb goes on the back of the neck like we've talked about in class. Your thumb is not holding the weight of the bass, though. Your belly is holding the weight of the bass. So our thumb goes there. As we place our fingers on the string, what actually happens is the pitch gets higher. Listen. Do you hear this? The pitches get higher. And we call the notes the names in the musical alphabet. So just like when we say our ABCs, the notes on the staff or on our bass are in alphabetical order. So as I play the notes up the D string, the notes are D, E, F. This is actually an F sharp. That's the first note we learn as we're playing the notes up the staff. So I want you to try placing your thumb on the back of the neck of your bass. Let's play the D 3 times. Ready? Go. Now, place your index finger, which we call our first finger, on that first tape closest to your scroll. That's the note E. The note after D in the alphabet is E. First finger E. Ready? Go. Let's go back to D. Ready? Play. E. Keeping that first finger down, I'm going to add all of my other fingers. My fourth finger, my pinky finger, all 4 fingers are holding the D string down. That's the note F sharp. Let's play that together. Ready? Go. Again. Ready? Go. Now let's go back to D and we'll play up our little mini scale. We'll play D, E, F sharp 3 times each, starting with D. Ready? Play. D, first finger E, fourth finger F sharp. Good. If you're having trouble holding the string down, a few tips. Make sure your elbow is up pretty high. It's the weight of our whole hand that holds the string down. And make sure you're on your fingertips. So your hand shouldn't look like this when we're playing. Our hand is much stronger when we're in the shape of a C. And our elbow is up a little bit. Okay? So now that we know the notes D, E, and F sharp and how to play them, we should know what they look like too. So I have my little staff here. Okay, so we already know the note D on the staff. Sorry, I have to do it this way. Okay, so this is the note D. D is on the 3rd line up the staff. And just like I was saying, the notes are in alphabetical order. They're also in order on our staff from bottom to top, lowest to highest. So if this is the note D, the next note up the scale, notice this is a line note, is a space note just immediately above it. That's the note E. The sharp symbol looks like a tic-tac-toe sign. And this is the note F sharp. So D, E, F sharp. Okay. Pause the video and open your book to page 8. And we're going to look at number 19, rolling along. Let's just say the note names first. They're actually marked in the book. So let's say the note names together. 1, 2, ready, go. F sharp, E, D, E, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, rest. E, 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 rest. F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, rest. F sharp, E, D, E. F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp. E, E. F sharp, E, D. Rest, rest, rest. Excellent. This time through, can we say the finger numbers? So remember, D is 0, E is first finger, F sharp is fourth finger. If it helps, you can pretend that your right arm is the fingerboard, and I'll do that too as we go along. So I will say the finger numbers, but I'll also put my finger down on my forearm, which takes away some of the physical exertion required to hold the string down, but it helps us still practice what fingers we put down. So let's try the same thing we just did, but saying finger numbers. And if you'd like to try on your forearm, also putting your fingers down, I think that will be helpful. 1, 2, ready, go. 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, 4, 4, rest. 1, 1, 1, rest. 4, 4, 4, rest. 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, 4, 4, 4, 1, 1, 4, 1, 0, rest, rest, rest. Very good. Feel free to do that as many times as you need to so that you can get all the way through with a steady beat. Once you can do that, let's try it on our bass. So grab your bass, and again, make sure the bass is resting comfortably on your body so that you don't feel like it's leaning back into your thumb. Okay, bring your arm around and find your thumb spot. Make sure your elbow's not dripping down. Make sure you have a nice, imagine like a balloon under your arm, which I think we've talked about in class. Okay, line your fingers up close to the tape, and our first note is actually that F sharp. So let's make sure our fingers are weighted into the string. We're just gonna pluck, don't worry about the bow for right now. And let's try it together. 1, 2, ready, go. I'm also going to include in this lesson another page of notes. I'll show you it here. Okay, and this is just practicing again. This is the note D, this is the note E, and this is the note F sharp. This is from a cello book, so the fingering here is incorrect, but the notes are all the same. So I'll include this too so that you can practice reading just like we just did. You don't even really have to play this, but if you could do the note names, the finger numbers, and then on your forearm, if you could practice doing that, I think that will help coordinate what finger we put down when we play the notes. If you have any questions, let me know.